this week's video. So for this week's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is on my iPhone 2019, and I currently have the iPhone 8. I know it's not anything super fancy, but I absolutely love this, and I feel like it is perfect for me. So, I mean, I don't care about upgrading or having the iPhone X. I mean, it would be really cool, yes, but I am perfectly happy with my iPhone 8. But I'm going to be showing you guys just everything that is pretty much on my phone, what I use it for, and things like that. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get right on into the video. So, I currently have the wildflower case on my phone, and it is just the pink and white checkerboard print. So, there's some other cases that I use for my iPhone 8 that you guys probably see me use a lot, which is my protective pink case that looks like this. This has the glass screen protector just so I don't crack my phone. And then my two cases from Casely, and this is the white and pink marble print, which I absolutely love. It's kind of hard to see the marble on camera, but it is a white and marble. And then this one is some cactuses, and I absolutely love cactuses. So it is just that, and it has a little iridescent or holographic type look to it when you kind of move it a little bit. And there is some scratches on the front of this just because I've used it. So yeah. This is what the front of my phone looks like. You can actually see a few cracks on it right now. It is the black iPhone 8, like I said. This is my lock screen. It is a picture of my boyfriend and me. And then this is just my flower wall picture from graduation, my graduation party. I'm going to be moving over so you guys can see my screen. So basically, my first little page has all my main apps that come with the phone. So mail, this is all my business mail and stuff like that. My calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, weather, news, home, notes, which I have all of my video ideas, workout plans, hashtag groups, Instagram captions. That was a thing I was creating for my boyfriend for his Instagram. Some more hashtags, that's something for my boyfriend. Those are brand deal plan things that I send out, photo shoot spots, and just some things like that. And then it is my stocks, reminders, TV, Apple Store, iTunes Store, books, health, wallet, which has my insurance card, my credit card, debit card, things like that. My Starbucks card on there, very important. My settings, my extras, which is just my compass, tips, voice memos, contacts, find my friends, find my iPhone, which I use to track / stalk my mom. And she knows it. It's okay. We all do it. Apple Store, clips, measure, GarageBand files, iTunes U, pages, numbers, and Keynote. And then my FaceTime is on here, my calendar, or my calculator, my watch, which I don't have an Apple Watch, but it's on the app is on there, and podcast, which I use my podcast for my Pretty Basic that I like to listen to, as well as my Gold Digger podcast, the YouTube Power Hour, and my social media podcast, and just some other YouTube / influencer podcasts that I like to listen to. And down at the bottom, it's just my phone, Safari, my messages, and my Apple Music. The next page is all color coordinated. Yes, I randomly wanted to color coordinate everything one day, so I decided to do that. So first is on here are all my apps that are all color coordinated. So The black apps are Shein, which is a clothing app, Storylux, this is for my Instagram stories, Pretty Little Thing, or PLT, that is a fashion brand, Postmates, food, Uber, gotta have that on there, Zaffle clothing, my Sparkle of Jesus, which sends me out little like sparkle or like quotes, and they're all Jesus / Christian related. I am Roman Catholic, which is part of Christianity. Fashion Nova, which is a fashion app, PacSun fashion app, my Spotify, which has all my music on it, Honeybum, which is a fashion, and Fitbod, which is a workout app. Then all of my white apps, this is Story Art, which has to do with my Instagram stories, Unfold, which is for my Instagram stories as well, UNUM, this is for planning out my Instagram photos and kind of how my feed is going to look, Symbol Keyboard, this is how I can get little cute icons that are like black. I'll show you after the fun. So basically you use Symbol Keyboard for little cute apps, so you can do little faces or just any like little signs, another like heart that has a that's clear on the inside, squiggle line, you can do coffee cup, you can do let's find another sign. You could do scissors, you could do an envelope, an airplane, just like all these little different symbols, and then copy them to your clipboard and then use them for Instagram captions. 21 buttons, where I post about my fashion, what I'm wearing, and the actual website app, where I got it from, where you guys can look at that. Do, which is my to-do checklist. VSCO, which is an Instagram editing app. I don't use this as much as I used to, but I still do use it. Sephora, this is for all my makeup stuff, and I have a Sephora rewards, so I have that on my phone. My Camera Connect, and this is for my Canon, so I can go ahead and connect what is on my camera and put it onto my phone, and I can download pictures straight from my camera to my phone, as well as videos and things like that. Boohoo, which is a fashion app. Nasty Gal, which is a fashion app as well. Clue, which, little TMI, but this is my period tracker, and basically it just tells me all of this information, and I can input all the information as well for certain days if I'm feeling a certain way. Then next we go over to my YouTube studio, which my YouTube studio has all of my basically analytics for my YouTube, has my dashboard, all my videos, what I've posted, what's scheduled to post, my analytics where I can see all of this. It gives me a full overview of basically everything that I kind of need to know. I have my actual YouTube app, and then I have Pinterest, which I use on the daily. Pretty much I have all of these little like pin boards. So I have bullet journal, blog photo ideas. This is what I use to plan out my Instagram posts. Workouts, outfit ideas, which I as well use that for outfit inspiration. Summer DIYs, this is for an upcoming video. Friends photography, I just think that's really cute to have if you don't know what to do for photos with some of your friends. Room decor, kind of some room stuff that I want to do. Desk, which how I kind of want to have my desk to be in my room or for college. Social media content, this just has a little planner. Some of these have like 9 or 70 killer content ideas, some like Instagram plans, when to post what, so things like that. Boyfriend gifts, which he's not allowed to know about. Summer photos, this is just kind of some summer inspirational ideas. Cute relationship goals. 4th of July outfits. Summer life hacks, that is for another video. 4th of July party decor. Healthy snacks, which is for another video as well. Instagram picture quotes, this is where I get some of my Instagram captions from. Fashion outfits, where this, I found one that had like specific like things like where each one was from, so I just saved it there just in case I find more that are like that. I can kind of put all of those together. Fitness, this is just more like fitness style posts that I want to try to recreate or things like that, as well as some fitness Instagram captions, so anything related to fitness for Instagram. Food, I have DIYs, which is just a bunch of like little stickers that I love, as well as some of my Tumblr backgrounds, which is what my wallpaper used to be as my lock screen and my home screen, and now it's just my home screen, which I will show you guys what that looks like later. But basically just like all these Tumblr and like DIY type things that I want to do. Backyard decor, I was actually talking to my mom about this for when we redo our backyard, so that is just what that board is. What I need in life, this is kind of just like cool things that I would like to do or need. Self-care routine, this is just kind of ideas. I was trying to figure out how I wanted to break up my self-care routine video, so it was just kind of that. Portrait photography, this was for when I was doing a photo shoot with Catherine, and I was trying to get some inspirational ideas, and I was sending her ideas, and we were just kind of going back and forth. Disney photography, this was for a Disney photo shoot we were supposed to do, but it just gives me some inspiration for when I go to Disney to go take pictures. Travel, this is actually a picture that I took on the airplane coming home from DC, so it was so pretty. I have nails split into autumn nails, a full generic nail ones, spring nails, blue nails, don't know why. Dorm inspiration, I'm using this for when I go off to college and kind of want to plan out my dorm. I have prom nails, green nails, yellow for yellow nails. Birthday, this was for my birthday / graduation party. If you guys don't know, my birthday is April 7th and my graduation party is supposed to be in the middle of May. That's why we were going to do a combined one, but then it got pushed back to June. So that was just planning stuff for that. Makeup looks, this is for a video as well as just inspiration. Shoes, inspiration, I guess, Valentine's Day treats, makeup, graduation party, DIY clothes, fall outfits, Halloween costumes, homecoming makeup, Instagram highlight icons, fall decor, and you basically get it. Then I have Facetune for editing, Sheets, Google Sheets. This is for YouTube as well as for work. We use this. Google Drive, Google Calendar, which has all of my YouTube stuff on it, Boomerang, which is for Instagram, Pandora. I actually downloaded this for work, but I use it like on my own as well. Wendy's, my boyfriend got me addicted to basically trying to get coupons for cheaper food, so that's why I have Wendy's on my phone. Romwe for fashion, Lyft, which is for, you know, in case I need to order an Uber or a Lyft. Pink Nation fashion, Airbnb, which I was actually looking at getting an Airbnb for the summer to go to Clearwater. So I kind of have some stuff saved on there. Misguided for fashion, Workout Women, which has a bunch of workout plans for women and things like that. TubeBuddy, which is for YouTube, which is just another way of showing my analytics, but as well as where my tags are and like how my video ranks in those tags. Fonto, which I use for my thumbnail editing as well as for any other editing that I need to do for photos. State Farm, which is my insurance. Poshmark for selling or buying clothes. I like to look on there sometimes. Mojo, which is for Instagram. And then I have the actual Instagram app, which if you guys don't know, You guys should follow me. Then I have SoundCloud, which I use for my Instagram copyright-free music. I have Musi for my music. And then the next page is Forever 21 fashion app. Snapchat, which if you guys aren't, following me on Snapchat, definitely do that. It's just Ayeitsmaddied. And then I have Cash App for money. WhatsApp, which is how we all message for work. Starbucks, which I have to have Starbucks app. Zoom, this was for when I was doing a class to learn about social media and business, and the business side of things. We used Zoom. Fairwinds, which is my banking. VRBO, this was for, as well, same with how I was for Airbnb when I was looking at houses to kind of rent out, as well as we were going to rent out a house for my party. So yeah. Trello, which I use for YouTube content. Lightroom, which I use for all my editing photos. Clash Royale, my boyfriend actually got me addicted to Clash Royale and I absolutely love it. So yeah. Dote, which has a bunch of shopping apps on it. Absolutely love that. iMovie, I have that just in case if I need to edit any clips on my phone to post onto YouTube or create a short film for IGTV. Showpo, which is a fashion app, and Deplo, which this is actually really cool. It's a brand new app and I love it. This shows you places and like where to go take pictures and like where like the cute walls are at. So say I was in San Diego, okay? Say I was in San Diego, it tells you all of the places, where the cute walls are at, where cute like Instagram spots at and things like that. They don't have every location, which kind of sucks, but it is great for if you're traveling and you want to know where to go take the best pictures at. And then my little background is just a Tumblr thing that says "You Are My Sunshine" and just has a bunch of cute like yellow and blue tropical things. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video and I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. And you kind of were able to see a little bit of what's on my phone, kind of get the insights on how I use my phone, what I use my phone for, and things like that. So yeah, anyways, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!